Noon forecast. Weather from where you live.
All right, there's your forecast for tonight. Again, some light freezing fog, becoming windy, but temperatures will be on the rise. We've got lows that'll run 21 to 26, but they rise to 25 to 30 late. The problem with that is these wind chills are going to be pretty low even in the morning. They'll be running low to mid-teens, and still windy day tomorrow. Strong south winds gusting 35 to 43, and a lot of cloudiness, but there's a window where we may see some decent breaks here and there, noon to about 2 or 3 o'clock. There's that high of 44, and 37 to 45 should do it for highs viewing area wide. 40 Peru, 42 Flora, about 43 at Delphi, and 42 at Fowler. On Thursday, 50 to 56, but some patchy drizzle and some patches of light rain developing, but a strong south wind blowing. Again, temperatures will be rising tomorrow night. It'll be at 45 early on Thursday morning, and then 55 by 3 p.m. Gusts 36 to 45 miles an hour, though, with 50 for the high at Rochester down to Denver. Low 50s Monticello to Chalmers and Fowler. Mid 50s at Pine Village, and mid 50s down towards Crawfordsville as well. There is Futurecast. Again, a lot of clouds tonight. Watch for the light freezing fog around. A lot of cloudiness tomorrow, but a window for at least some breaks in the clouds for a little while. Low clouds tomorrow night, and then Thursday we're looking at some patches of drizzle and a few patches of very light misty rain around through the afternoon and even into Thursday night. A little heavier rain comes in on Friday. We'll have rain morning and then right into the afternoon. Some rain even on Friday night, and yes, Saturday some rainfall too. The thoughts are that for New Year's Eve, there will at least be some drizzle and patchy light rain around with temperatures in the 40s after highs in the 50s, Thursday, Friday, and even Saturday. Sunday, the rain tends to taper a little bit, and it will be cooler. And then another round of rain comes in here Monday. The heaviest rain should pass through Tuesday morning, and then the rain slowly decreasing Tuesday afternoon. And then after that, it does get colder. Not excessively so. Highs in the 30s, lows in the 20s. Then we watch this storm. This storm may dive down into Texas and Louisiana and then move to the northeast, and it just might be cold enough to bring us some wet snow in here, potentially around between the 6th and 8th of January. That'll be a time to watch for us. Now look at this rainfall, though. Again, this is over several days. This is Thursday right to Tuesday of next week. You get the idea. This is a good 1¼ to more than 2 inches of rain you see pretty much viewing area wide. You might be wondering, well, is that going to cause flooding? I do think rivers and streams will see big rises, but if we look at the Wabash River right now, again, you see that over the past several days, this is 23rd, 24th, 25th, this is what the gauge has been measuring in downtown Lafayette. Remember, flood stage is 11 feet. Look how low the river is. I mean, it's going to drop even more by this weekend. It's going to drop probably to about 1.5 feet by the upcoming weekend. So that said, river's very low. It's going to take a lot of rain to get those river levels up. I think they will rise, but it doesn't look like they're going to get to flood stage. And this is Covington. Flood stage is 16 feet, but you get the idea here that levels are going to be running way low. They're only going to be running about 4.5 to 5 feet this weekend, and then they really see a decent rise next week. So that said, we're starting this rainfall event with abnormally low river levels, so they will see a big rise, but at this point, they don't look to make flood stage from the evidence we have right now. All right, that said, you see the off and on wet weather right through Tuesday of next week, but some pretty mild weather too, 59, maybe even an isolated rumble or two of thunder on Tuesday, and then Thursday, Friday, we're back to highs in the 30s.